This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Sanda Andrews. Own your own land. Open and enough room for everything. This split bedroom floor plan has a shared living room/dining room big enough for 2 separate sitting areas. The kitchen includes an eating area in front of the triple windows, and a work island. The Florida room enjoys the view of the corner lot, and the driveway works great for the 2-car family. Metal roof. High-rise toilets. Inspections have been done. All reports are available from your realtor. Furnished with golf cart included. Enjoy 18 holes of golf in this gated golf community, located just outside of the city, and approximately 1.25 hours from either coast. Great access to Disney, Legoland, and Bach Tower, just to name a few local attractions. A community where you enjoy $3 green fees as part of your HOA dues. In this very friendly, resident-owned community, you can be as active or inactive as you choose. Gatherings at the private pub or the community room, fishing on Lake Henry, gardening, tennis, golf, shuffleboard, horseshoes, swimming in the heated pool, enjoy the hot tub or the workout room. Contact agent for this community's website address and documents, including rules/regs, application, financial, and bylaws. HOA includes 3 HD cable boxes and internet. For more information, review the